Alright guys, this is Carnival Magic interior room 7443. There's our door. Come in. Got the light switches, got the card in there so we can keep the lights on. There's Melissa. Miley's up there taking a nap. Got 3 closets on your left. Bathroom on the right. They haven't cleaned yet, so I'm not going to show you that. Light switch for the bathroom. Come on in. Got the TV. Got a lock box, and down below it you got a mini fridge. We got some waters in there. It gets somewhat cold. And over here you got a little desk with a chair, some drawers. We got all our crap because we're getting ready to get off the boat. So anyway, that is about it. I'll show you the hallway. Fourth of July coming up, so we're decorating a little bit for it. But here's the hallway. And that's it.